Here's how to order. Just click the Add to Cart button. After you click the Add to Cart button, you'll be taken to the secure, easy checkout page. Fill out the short checkout form and enter your credit card information. It takes less than 60 seconds. We accept all major credit cards and PayPal. Once you're done filling out the easy checkout form, hit the Order Now button. You'll then be taken to our delivery page where you can access the program and start going through it immediately. This is super easy, trust me. If you can open your email, you can do this. Nothing needs to be shipped to you. This is great because it means you can have the entire Health Blueprint program at your fingertips and access this valuable information in just seconds. Here's what will happen after that. You will get $1,450 of the most advanced information in existence on how to transform the human body and upgrade your life. 1 week from today, you can expect to be 8 to 10 pounds lighter and 1 to 2 inches smaller in the waist. If you use every part of this system, I guarantee you will lose at least 10 pounds each month, and that's being conservative. 60 days from now, you will have a stronger, leaner body. You'll have double the energy, and you'll have lost up to 25 pounds of body fat. Check it out risk-free for the next 30 days and decide for yourself if it's right for you. It really is that simple, and there's no catch. You'll also get the entire program in a convenient PDF format, so you can keep a copy on your computer, smartphone, or iPad for easy access. You won't find this information anywhere else at any price. But that's not all. You'll also get these 3 incredible bonuses when you invest in the Health Blueprint program today. Bonus number 1, the Weekend Eraser Workout, $50 value. The Weekend Eraser is a breakthrough Health Blueprint workout designed to reverse unwanted weight gain from a weekend of fun, alcohol, and cheating. On your diet, not your significant other. Sorry, I can't help you there. So you get the best of both worlds, a fun social life and a killer body. Bonus number 2, the Health Blueprint Game-Changing Grocery Guide, valued at $100. What if you knew exactly what foods to buy at the grocery store that would melt fat and make transforming your body easy and effortless? Now you will, with the Health Blueprint Game-Changing Grocery Guide. I'll give you the specific products I eat and recommend to my clients each day. These foods will help keep your metabolism firing on all cylinders and make you healthier. This bonus alone is worth more than you're going to invest in the entire program. Bonus number 3, the Health Blueprint No BS Guide to the Best Gear and Products, $50 value. In this guide, you'll get everything you need to create the body and health you've always wanted. The best gear to multiply your results, new revolutionary products, my favorite stuff, and must-have supplements. I've done all the work researching and experimenting with hundreds of products, gear, and equipment so you don't have to. And it's all in here. Everything you need to gain an unfair advantage over the competition. That's another $200 in value that you're going to get free when you order the Health Blueprint today. I'm pulling back the curtain and giving you full access to the entire Health Blueprint program up front and taking on all the risk, then letting you pay me if and only if you decide it's right for you. Who else would do that? Nobody. I checked. Real quick, think of how much you're earning right now each year. $30K a year, $40K a year, or maybe more. Today I'm giving you the opportunity to invest just $47. That's probably less than 0.1% of your annual income to completely change your life. You can finally get the body you've always wanted and keep it forever. Not to mention, you'll have double the energy, you'll feel incredible, and you'll add happy and healthy years to your life. There aren't many things you can consider a more worthy investment. Plus, imagine how this information will positively impact your performance at work, and you'll make more money with your energy and focus through the roof. You'll get back your investment in this program tenfold in the first month alone, simply by applying the cutting-edge information you're about to learn. You really can't lose. Hey, look. If you want to look your best, feel your best, perform your best, and be your best self, you've got to cultivate the fitness and stamina that will give you the physical energy, passion, and vitality to be that person. You've got to condition your body for success. A high performer truly believes that the food you put in your mouth will determine how you look, feel, and perform. A high performer truly believes in fitness. I don't judge what you look like in terms of your size and shape. I just want to help you look the way you want to look and feel the way you want to feel. But I will tell you one thing. If you are overweight, whether or not you choose to invest in the Health Blueprint today, I really encourage you to get into a good program to change that. It's become so taboo for us to talk about other people being overweight in our society. And frankly, I get in trouble all the time for speaking openly about this. I know people who are watching this might find themselves in that life condition. And that life condition is something that was created. And it's something that can be changed. It's something that you deserve to have changed. You deserve to feel happy and energetic so that you can be, do, and have everything you've ever wanted in your life. You deserve to have a level of energy in your life that makes you excited to get out of bed in the morning and doesn't ever slow down, so that your dreams aren't being held back by the size of your body. This isn't about being discriminatory, and I have no weird issues or bias about people who are overweight. Clearly, that's not the case. It's because I care, and I want to see you have the life you've always wanted. At the end of the day, if you haven't mastered your body and conditioned it in a way for you to feel passionate and energetic every day, you won't have the stamina and energy that is crucial for you to achieve your dreams in life.